Alright guys, welcome. This is Alechi's photography. Alechi photography on Instagram, Alechi visual. So welcome. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment and share so that others can also watch and learn. Alright, in today's tutorials I'll be showing you how to select and mask your image. Yes, how to select and mask your image, guys. So as we can see, I've already selected my image on my Photoshop. I've already uploaded my image, so I've already duplicated my background. So I'll be showing you how to select and mask your image. So let's get to business. Now, as you can see, my image is not selected yet. My image is not selected yet. My image is not yet selected. As you can see here, it's not yet selected. So if I want to select my image, I'll just quickly go to quick selection tool. Yes, quick selection tool, guys. This is quick selection tool here. So I'll just go over there and pick my quick selection tool. Then I'll just select my image. I'll just select my image. Okay, after selecting my image, as you can see, there are some areas we did not select and there are some areas we selected that is not supposed to be selected. So I'll just head over to quick selection, quick select and mask under here, select and mask. So I'll just go over there and I'll click there and I'll click. So it will take me to the select and mask background. It will take me to the select and mask environment. So now, as you can see here, our hair is not okay. So we can just head over to refine hair. You can just head over to refine hair. Once you click on this refine hair, it will automatically arrange this hair for you. Okay, let's click and see. So you click on refine hair. Let's wait for it. As you can see, our hair has been refined. This is not how it was. Okay, let's undo and refine again. So our hair has been refined. Okay, alright guys, so we can just use our quick selection tool here, to remove and to select the areas we want to be selected, and then remove the areas we don't want to be selected. We can just select the area we want to be selected and remove the areas we don't want to be selected. Like here, I don't want here to be selected, so I'll just remove it. Then I can come over here and use either my lasso tool or my polygonal lasso tool to select here. I want here to be selected. I can just select here because I want here to be selected. Okay guys, so after selecting, you can just feather your selection and you click OK. Now it has deselected the areas we don't want to be selected, and it has selected the areas we want to be selected. Alright, so now this is how to select and mask our image. Alright, if this is your first time of visiting this channel, please like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that anytime we post tutorials like this, videos like this, you will get to see it. Alright, so this is how to select and mask our image. Now another method of selecting and mask our image is, now we will still head over to the select and mask here. We will still head over to the select and mask and click there. Now once we click, it will still take us back to the select and mask environment. So now this time we have not selected our image, so we allowed select and mask to do it for us. You understand? We allowed select and mask to do it for us. So what do we have to do now? We have to remove the areas we don't want to be selected. Then now leave the areas we want to be selected. Let's assume I'm trying to select just my subject. Just my subject. So I'll just have to come here, use my quick selection tool. Under here, use my quick selection tool. Now I'll be deselecting the background because I want to select just my subject. Alright, I'll be deselecting my subject because I want to select just my subject. So I'll be deselecting my subject from the quick selection tool. Now once I deselect my subject from this quick selection tool, it will automatically select my subject on Photoshop Direct. On the direct image, it will automatically select my subject there. So let's deselect our subject. Now I'm deselecting my subject because I want to select just my subject and not the background. I want to select just my subject, so I have to deselect my subject on the quick selection environment. Then now I have to select the background. I have to add to the background because I want just my background to be selected. I want just my background to be selected. Okay, I want just my background to be selected, so I will have to select my background. Alright, so then I also have to remove it from here. Alright, okay, let's leave that. So I've deselected my subject already. So when I click this OK, my subject will automatically be selected. Alright, so my subject has been selected because I just wanted to select my subject. Alright guys, this is it, how to go about your quick selection tool, your select and mask. This is how to make use of your select and mask. Alright, if this is your first time of visiting this video, please subscribe to this video, like this video, comment and share. Subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. It helps us, it motivates us to keep doing more and keep unleashing different methods of editing your image. Alright, once again, Alechi Photography. See you in our next tutorial video. Thank you.